Hey, look who's home already. How was your day? That's good. Oh yeah, it was a bit cold in here when I got home, so I figured I'd just start a fire, get a nice cup of coffee, and wait a bit. I know, it's just the weather is disgusting. It was raining when I got home, and yeah. You know, why don't we just spend the rest of the day out here, just snuggled up together and just doing nothing for a change, huh? I mean, it's cozy. I know, I know, I know, I know. Yeah, I know we plan to do that, and we really should starting to finally unpack every last box, but it's been like 2.5, 3 weeks, and I don't think that one day more is going to do any damage. We still got plenty of time to do that. So, what you say? Come sit with me? Ha! Gotcha. You know, I would have never thought that we would wind up living in a place like this. No, 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 no. That's not what I meant. I mean, I love this place, and I didn't expect that we find something so nice that is still affordable to us at this moment. Yeah, I know. There are a few things that still need fixing, and we could probably do with just painting a few walls. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, the hallway needs to be changed. I don't like that color either. We can do that. I mean, you still got next week off, right? Okay. So, what you say? How about when you're off, we just go out and buy some really nice paint and finally get rid of this ugly, I don't know, was that supposed to be orange or something? I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Yes. The person that lived here before us really, really didn't have that much of a great taste. Those last few boxes are just decoration and other random stuff anyway, I think, so maybe we can just put them in storage and forget about them. We didn't need that stuff for the last 2 weeks, so we probably aren't going to miss it. Yeah, I know, I know, I know, most of that is my fault. I know, but I can't help it. I just like changing out all those little pieces and knickknacks and just it keeps things fresh, you know? I don't like staring at the same things for months or years. No, no, I was talking about things, not you. No, I could stare at you for like the rest of the life, like the rest of our life together. Yeah, I know. Shut up now. I know, I know, I know. Yeah, I know. It is nice here already. Yeah, maybe I overdid it a little with the decoration already. Yeah, I admit that. No, 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 no. You can take away every piece, but just please let me keep that little shelf. Like, no, that had to move with us. Yes. Nope, never going to give that one up. I know. hmm I know it feels great just coming home to this place. And you know what feels even better? Coming home to this place when you're already here. Yeah, it's a little bit odd because usually you're already home when I get off work and I get to greet you and not walk into an empty place. Yeah, it's a little bit odd. I'll get used to it, I guess. I mean, it's not like I have much of a choice. Yeah, yeah, I know. That's the way it was for you for like months. Yeah. No, it's okay. It's just a bit unusual. Well, you know, it's already kind of late. How about we just order something in? Oh, you were already planning on that. Well, guess it's settled then. Order in it is. No, you can choose. I'm fine with whatever. I I don't even know what I want at the moment. So when you want to get some dinner, you can just go ahead and order. Get me whatever. You know, yeah, 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 that sounds good. Just, yeah. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Can't do without the extra dip. Okay, okay, you do that, and I just put a bit more wood on the fire. Mm-hmm.